A very warm welcome from Dr. Vishwas Divakar Acharya, Age Dental PG, to all the MDS aspirant. I welcome all the students to a fresh session of quick revision. Today we are going to cover the most important points to remember before entrance exam so far as the elastomeric impressions are concerned. Without delay, we start the session. The elastomeric impression materials are polyether, polysulfide, condensation silicon and addition silicon. So far as polyether is concerned, it is inherently hydrophilic material. It is the only hydrophilic material elastomer in the elastomer family. The visible light cured impression has been tried with limited success, and the best part of polyether is that it has minimum permanent deformation. Polysulfide, the recommended adhesive for the tray when we are using polysulfide is styrene acrylonitrile. Lead dioxide is a cross-linking agent which gives a characteristic brown color to the polysulfide. Oleic acid is effective retarder for polysulfide. Polysulfide has longest setting and working time in the family of elastomers. It has highest flexibility and tear resistance. It has longest curing time. It is most suitable when we are planning for electroplating. That covers most important point so far as polysulfide is concerned. Type 1 silicon, that is condensation silicon, it shows vulcanization at room temperature. So it is one elastomer which is also called as vulcanite. Stannous octoate is a liquid accelerator in case of condensation silicon, that is type 1. It has good dimensional stability. Alcohol is a byproduct which is evaporated in the process of vulcanization. The point to be remembered is that condensation silicon, that is type 1 silicon, deteriorates rapidly. Addition silicon, that is type 2 silicon, it is also called as polyvinyl siloxane. The cast should not be poured immediately as the H2O is released. H2, that is hydrogen gas, is released, and that can be entrapped as an air bubble. The point to be remembered for addition silicon is that the cast has to be poured immediately. That is very important in case of condensation silicon, and in case of addition silicon, the cast should not be poured immediately. Thank you very much for attending the session. I hope the session was informative and that will help you in your preparation. A very warm welcome to Age Dental PG. Thank you very much.